cab. You're not gonna find a nicer truck for this price. I don't know when. Again, doubt it. Let's just go over a few of the options. This thing is loaded. It has your heavy duty tow package in it. So has your cooler for your oil and everything else. You go around to the front of it, you're gonna see you have your trailering brake and the inside the cab. Along with your trailering brake that's alongside your panel there, you have your 4-wheel drive. You also have your lights for your cab right there. Your steering wheel will adjust and go up and down. You have cruise control in this thing. You have your touchscreen radio. What is better than that? Touchscreen, everything. Here you can go home, your phone, you have Wi-Fi with it, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Check out the radio. It's important, I know it is to me. Heated seats. Your lighting for your cab with your auxiliary, USB, charging ports. Right here you have your wireless charging port. Lifts up for storage. This actually has seating for 6. So the family can all go anywhere you need them to. One nice thing about this too, you do have storage down here and it does lock as well. You also have your glove box over here, very small, and your full here as well. Has your thing for your gas if you ever run out in there. If we go to the back, you can see that you're going to have those tethers on the outside for your car seats if you need to have them in here. It has the tethers in it. You have your nice down here, you have more auxiliary ports, another charging port as well. As you can see, just a great truck. One nice thing about this too is you do have storage under the seats. Flip up, toe, or your jack, excuse me. So if you happen to have a flat tire, you're already prepared. We go back to the tailgate. As we come around to the back of the truck, you have your nice steps here for getting in and out, which makes it really nice. As you can see, you have your toe, your hitch, along with all of your plugins for your trailering here. You open up the tailgate, you can use your key fob, which is nice. Push it twice, comes down. Inside, you have your LED lights in your bed, which is really nice. Also, as I pointed out earlier, you can turn on the lights, from the inside of the cab too, to have lights back here. One nice thing is if you do have any work to do on anything, cutting wood or anything, you have this nice surface here for working. So this truck is sale price at $35,297. You can't even buy a brand new car for that price anymore, guys. Let alone a brand new truck. Come on, make this your truck today. Give me a call. Let's set up a time for a test drive, just so you can check out all the fun gadgets. And then you can take it home and park it in your driveway and be the envy of your neighbors. Again, it's Kelly. My direct line is 563-607-5021. 563-607-5021. Kelly, give me a call. We're going to make this your truck today, and it's going to sit in your driveway tomorrow. I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you have a great day.